Hey guys, so it's Reality Unzipped coming to you with its first nail tutorial. So if you want to know how my nails got from this to this, stay tuned. Alright, so we're just going to get right into it. The first thing you're going to need is a cuticle cutter, cuticle pushers, nail file, some nail glue, and of course your press-ons. Some acetone nail polish remover and cotton balls. I got my press-ons from Five Below, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna start with the acetone. So what you're gonna wanna do is soak the cotton ball, and you're gonna wanna wipe your fingers off to get off any excess oil or dirt, just so the nail doesn't have a hard time sticking. So go ahead and do that. All right, after you finish that, you're gonna wanna get your nail file and file the nail bed. Not the actual nail, but the nail bed, just so that the nail actually sticks to something, basically. And my nails are kind of already damaged from acrylic. I didn't soak them off. I kind of pulled them off. And now we're here. But anyway, get your cuticle pusher. And you want to kind of like lift and push the excess skin on your nails back. So push that back and lift the cuticle slightly so that you can push the press-on into the cuticle, if that makes sense. Because that's actually the key to keeping your press-ons lasting at least a week, I'd say. Mine usually lasts at least a week. So here we are with the cuticle cutter, and I'm just picking like extra skin that's lifted. This thing is so difficult to deal with. Like when you go to the nail salon, it's super easy. I was struggling, so I didn't even really fool with it like that. So grab your press-ons and just start to organize them by size. I have really small fingers. You see my scrawny little crusty baby hands. I just organized them by size and started to fit each nail, each finger with the nail. As you can see, I'm using the nail file because some of the nails were kind of wide, too wide for my nails anyway. That one looks like it fits. It looks like a winner. So we're gonna sit that to the side and do the same thing to the other thumb. And you see what I'm talking about? I'm like kind of pushing the nail into the, like under the cuticle slightly. So when I apply my glue, I'll do the same thing and it'll stick better. I'm gonna keep filing and fitting. I'm sorry, that was funny. Like I blew the dust off the nails and it blew the nails away. But as you can see here, I'm done. I've got 10 nails fit and filed just for me. Now I'm gonna get that glue and start applying the nail to my finger. What are we starting with? Is that the pinky? It sure is. So you want to get your glue, apply a small amount. I didn't do too much because I didn't want it to overflow when they get super crusty, like around the rim of the nail. It's just not the look I was going for. And you see how I slid it under the cuticle like that? That's what's going to keep it lasting for a good amount of time. I'll say about a week. Pretty. And do the same thing to the rest of the nails. Add your glue and apply your nail. Slide it under, wiggle it, and press. And I hold my nail, like I'll press it for like 15-30 seconds. Last one, and it's looking like we're finished. Beautiful. Oh, those look so good. They're sturdy, they're strong, and they look good. This is much better than spending $40 or more at the nail salon. It's great for people who are on a budget or people who just don't want to spend that money or just don't want to do that to their nails, because I've been trying to keep my nails healthier and not using acrylic. But enjoy this video of my nails in the sunlight. Peace out, guys. Enjoy.